Boss Lady Shruti, and I've just woken up, but we are about to have a super duper fun filled day at the beach today. It's I don't even know what time it is in the morning, but it is morning, and I'm here in Dubai. So we are going to explore La Mer. This is one beach that I absolutely enjoy and love. It is near downtown Dubai. It's not a very big beach, but still it's a very nice beach with a lot of activities to do over there and a ton of restaurants that you can explore. So I am just hoping my friend Anchal joins me because it looks like she might need a little bit of convincing, and then another friend of mine will pick us up. So yeah, that's the plan for the day. Let's go to the beach. So I just kind of woke up now and I'm going to quickly get ready for the beach. So I am just going to do a little bit of makeup, not too much, but I just quickly wanted to mention what I used last night on Mr. Ramesh and Suresh that tried to pop up on my face. Every time I travel, they have to come and say what's up. So I always carry something like this in my travel pouch. This is the Requil Acne Clarifying Gel. I used it for literally 2 days straight, and now if you can tell, my acne scars, they're only scars. The acne has completely subsided down, which is great. And almost overnight I saw results, and I was actually feeling bad कि अरे यार आज मैं beach जाने वाली हूँ और ये I'm just happy that this got resolved. So I'm just gonna quickly go kind of moisturize my face, wash my face basically, and feel a little alive, and be right back. So now I have kind of just washed my face and moisturized and everything, and I'm going to use a heavy duty sunscreen. This is by Requil. It is the oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen, SPF 50 PA triple plus. So let me tell you something about the heat in UAE. It is like blazing, okay, and it can literally burn your skin, and the adventurous side in me has decided to go to the beach today, so I definitely need heavy duty sun protection. So that is why I decided to kind of try this out. This sunscreen has absorbed into my skin really well. I have oily acne prone skin, and trust me when I say this, finding a sunscreen that suits me has been a pain, and I'm kind of amazed at how easily this got absorbed into my skin. We will see throughout the day how this performs, but so far mama like it. So yeah, I'm just going to now quickly get ready, put a little bit of makeup because क्या पता मेरे सपनों का राजकुमार शायद मुझे मेरे बीच में मिल जाए ऋतिक रोशन की तरह दौड़ता हुआ. So yeah, I am just going to quickly get ready and I will see you at the beach. Let's go. Hi Achal, where are we going right now?
We are going to La Mer.
Woo! So we are both beach ready.
We are both beach ready.
As you can tell.
And I didn't want to come, but Madam decided
that
I have to come.
Yeah,
so
she has to come because I have come to Dubai.
Yes.
So yeah, we're going to explore La Mer. It is one of the free beaches in Dubai. So your girl always likes a free shit. Broke bitch right here. So yeah, let's go. Hi.
Hello.
So Kasir is my friend, and for anyone who was guessing who has my kitten, this is the man that is responsible for my kitten. And don't worry, she's in very good hands, right, Kasir? They look very dirty. So Anchal यहाँ पे बैठी है. Hello. And we are on our way to La Mer. La Mer is actually a pretty थोड़ा हाँ मेरा copyright आ जाएगा नहीं तो हाँ. So La Mer is a pretty small beach, but it's one of the free beaches here in Dubai. I believe JBR, La Mer and Kite Beach are the 3 free beaches in Dubai. बाकी सब beach के लिए ना पैसे भरने पड़ते हैं भैया जी. So रोकड़ा. So we are on our way, and I will see you guys there.
Oh, sorry, I didn't realize.
ये चश्मा क्यों पहना हुआ है?
Because it's sunny. And
कहाँ?
you're
We are sitting inside the car.
Yeah.
going to the beach. and
So you
it's
wear
a
it at the
sunny
beach,
day.
na?
Yeah.
We both bullied him so much.
तू गल बड़ी
करदा वे करके वखा जा मेरे आ तू आना सोनिया आ आ
I can do this.
Rashid, have you been to Versace?
वो की होता है?
You've been to Versace? Anchal, Versace?
Never.
No, never.
But you don't know Versace Palazzo? Versace Palazzo you don't know in Dubai? Very big, nice hotel.
Nope.
You
कोई
should
ढाबा है
go.
क्या?
What the fuck?
We are now at La Mer. Hi. So this place has like a ton of restaurants actually. So it's actually and now it is lunchtime, so we might just go to some place to have like a quick grub. But and this place also has like a lot of like kids, because it has some like activities and stuff for kids. So if you guys have kids, you can get your kids here. But today we are going to explore the kids inside of us, because I'm mentally 12. And
Don't worry, I'm gonna babysit her today.
Yeah, that's why
I'm
I've
gonna
got my
babysit
mom.
my 12-year-old kid. Yeah.
Yeah, I've got my mom with me. Papa, कैसे हो? Woohoo! Now we are at Big Smoke Burger. What have you ordered for?
I've ordered Nashville spicy, extreme spicy burger.
You like it spicy, is it?
Sometimes, you know. Sometimes I like it sugary. Sometimes I like.
Ooh,
I feel like I'm in a very poo mode today, you know.
that's good. We like the poo mode.
कौन है ये?
जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा?
Who is he? Here we are. Everybody's chilling here. And amazing! Bossy, तुम सोने आई हो यहाँ पर? Bossy,
तुमने कल रात को मुझे सोने नहीं दिया. ये
that sounds so wrong, Bossy.
हाँ, मेरी
ये
रात
गलत
आंचल के
इल्तिज़ाम-
साथ ही बीतती
ये
है आजकल.
गलत इंतजाम. What is इंतजाम?
इंतजाम आंचल ही करती है मेरे लिए. और कल का
इंतजाम.
इंतजाम ऐसा था ना आंचल. Oh my God, मैं पूरी रात नहीं सोई हूँ.
That sounds so wrong. Guys, I didn't do it. Bossy
I
is
didn't
sleeping
do
here.
it, Raju.
Bossy,
Oh.
get up! Oh my god. Bossy is in form now.
चलो.
I'm not smoking. Who's smoking?
Who's smoking?
Who's smoking? I'm not smoking. I didn't smoke.
She's smoking hot. That's what it
exactly
is.
what it is. So you're calling me smoky?
Of course. You also had a smoky burger. You are smoking. How much more hot can you get, Anchal?
Actually, you're talking about yourself.
No, I didn't have the burger. I am a vegetarian.
I think I've come in the cute category. You are the hot category.
No, you are. You have your phases. Like you are cute also. You are hot also. Ask the boys. Ask the boys. अच्छा, tell me you like anybody over here? कोई hot लग रहा है दिखने में?
I think they are.
I think all of them have come either with their wife, girlfriends, or like their children.
And you know, we are not somebody who will eye somebody.
नहीं
who's
मैं
already
तो I will
taken.
eye everybody. Of course I'll not do anything, but आँखों से
आँखों की
गुस्ताखियाँ माफ मत करो. I don't think so.
I don't find anybody wrong. I think they
No,
are.
the thing is, I feel a lot of boys over here who are like they're also they're like underage.
I think either they are underage or they are overage.
Yeah.
They are. So none for us girls.
Yeah.
Nobody, and that's why
Where-
we're single.
कहाँ है लौंडे? Where are the brown मुंडे? किथे है brown मुंडे? Brown मुंडे. देसी चची चची.
I still prefer brown rug.
brown रंग नहीं कोडिया तो brown रंग में हम है ना, हम लोग को brown मुंडे चाहिए. Where are the brown मुंडे? brown मुंडे.
Brown मुंडे.
Like I don't know the lyrics of Brown Munde, but I love that song.
I don't know the brown rug either, but I know brown rug.
कोडिया नी तेरे.
किस से तू भागेगी तू रच रच के तेनू रब ने हुस्न दी तो रज रज के तेरी काली तेरी जुती तेरी
काली तेरी
तेरा
जुत्ती ते परादा तेरा लाल नी.
something like के.
We will clearly fail in Antakshari.
Yeah. I know blue eyes hypnotize.
Basically ये पूरा हनी सिंह का प्लेलिस्ट बजाने वाली है अभी यहाँ पे.
I swear छोटी पिकनी में
बॉम्ब लगदी मैनू. Since how long have I been here? Like 3-4 hours now?
easily.
And my face still looks like as I came here. I went into the water, like I won't say I went like completely into the water, like my hair and all is wet, of course. So yeah, I kind of used that sunscreen as a primer today. I'm impressed. Finished our fun day at the beach. Yay! Everybody has like सब लोग मरे हुए लग रहे हैं अभी.
No, I have energy, guys. Ciao.
ये तो मरा हुआ है.
Best friend says.
So now we are going to get something quick to eat. I saw this acai bowl place, and if you guys have watched me, you know what a big fan of acai bowls that I am. And Dubai has a ton of places that has acai bowls, so I definitely want to be trying them out. And अभी कुछ 5 बज रहे हैं. 5 बज रहे हैं अभी. What's the time? 5. What's the time?
My phone is off.
Okay, whatever time it is, it's time for acai bowl. Let's have it. So what is this?
I don't know. I found this souvenir, La Mer souvenir, and I found it on the water. So cute.
Which baby lost their footwear?
I don't know. I think
Why
this
you
is the
being
size
so
of a
creepy
baby.
right now, Anchal?
Mother Nature gifted me this. I can't help it. It came to me on its own, and I'm going to keep it. Mother Nature wants to give me chappal.
मारो मुझे मारो
मारो,
मुझे मारो
मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो
So I'm finally having my acai bowl, and like this is the one thing about Dubai that makes me so happy. Acai bowls are like my favorite thing to have. It's really sad that I've not seen any places in Mumbai that have acai bowl, at least where I stay. So whenever I come over here, I try and have as many acai bowls as possible.
Foodgasm, baby.
Don't rush.
That is.
Don't rush. ये वक्त थम जाए और ये बस ओ
चलता रहे.
This is the only orgasm I'm having these days, so I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay? Hi guys, so we are now on our way back to our house, and we had a super fun-filled beach day. Yes.
Yes.
I'm forcing
A
them
lot
to
of
say
fun.
yes.
I'm yawning.
You're not in the vlog anymore. So yeah, I had a super fun beach day. Honestly, like I used to love spending my weekends like this when I used to live here in Dubai. So it's kind of like nostalgic for me to have a beach day. And I have been to La Mer before, but I just thought that I'll vlog it for you guys this time. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below how you like it, and if you like more videos like this, I'll definitely try and make more of videos like this. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.